so many queries you can organize over there, and this is a small kind of framework where you can perform the ETL kind of things, like you can load the data, transform the data, and cleansing kind of thing you can perform. So there is an operation, there is a steps where you can perform this thing. Database is in the cloud, like if you are looking for the cloud data or the data lake kind of concept, so that you can do like you can use the Azure SQL database as well as a SQL data warehouse. So this shows how the Power BI is flexible to connect with the multiple data sources like Excel, CSV, Power BI Desktop, PBI, database in the cloud, as well as the databases on the premises. Okay, many thanks. So moving to the next, so we are focusing on the Power BI desktop. So we can see what is the life cycle. We can see here like the first thing like free companion authoring tool for the Power BI service. So you can get the data. This is like a life cycle for the any reporting or the dashboarding. Like first you need to connect with the data, and data should be meaningful. And how it could be, like it should be easily connect, clean, and mess up data. Clean also because it could be there is a mess up in the data, and you want to like suppose in the table there is a like 100 fields, but in your report or your business requirement need only the 15 or 20 fields. So you don't need to pull all the data together. You just need those 20 fields, and then you can modify the data according to your own requirement. Like suppose in a field like first name and last name, and you need to concatenate both the fields. So you can do such operations. To the Power BI walkthrough little bit, I will try to explain over there. And please let me know if everyone can see my screen. Sorry.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So this is a Power BI desktop. You can see this is a flexibility, and I will try to explain. Like this is a model. At the leftmost, we can see model means when you connect with the data, you create the model. You can shape the final is the report whenever you draw. The very first, whenever we start, this is a like look and feel. We can see get data, Excel, Power BI data set. There are many data sources are getting connected here. So I'm going to connect. I have a sample data. So I'm going to connect to the import data from Excel. So I have the data source are available. So I'm going to connect with the sample data source. So open data, it will happen. So give me a second, it takes a little bit time. Come on. Yes. So now you can see the data is uploaded in a nice way. So transform the data. So after transform a data, data is uploading, processing query you can see here. You can see this is a Power Query editor. So this is a like the, as I said. Now in the right hand side you can see the table is uploaded. Are you able to see everyone? And you have query, because what I have done, I have connection with the data set, data source. I selected the fields, I selected the table, upload the data, and now it is available at the rightmost fields and order tables. All fields are available here. So what I can do, now the drag drop feature, we start building the the category, or you can search with the tables, so order ID, you can. So this is the order ID. Suppose I want to calculate the order as well. So what we can do here, we can go for this is a new measure. Under the new measure, it will come yes, and you can see at the top count of the numbers in a count. Okay, sorry, and you can